Hello, in this video, I will explain to you on how to solve this problem. Find the equation of a line containing the given points. Write the equation in slope-intercept form. So the point is 4,3 and 8,1. And then let's write that point here as x1, y1. Okay, so let's write one of the point as x1, y1 here. And that one is 4,3. And then the second point here is x2, y2. That will be 8,1. And the first thing that we need to do is to find the slope, right? So that is the step 1. Find the slope of the line. So we will have the slope, which is the symbol is m, and that is the difference between the y divided by the difference of x. So I will write it like this: y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And what is y2 here? We have 1. Okay, and then what is y1? We have 3 here. So we'll have 3 and then divided by x2. x2 is 8 and then x1 is 4. So we'll have minus 4. Okay, and 1 minus 3 is minus 2. 8 minus 4, that will be 4. Or minus 2 over 4, we can simplify this into minus 1/2. So we know that our slope here is equal to minus 1/2. Good. And then we need to plug in into the slope formula here. Plug in into this one here. Y minus y1 is equal to the slope multiplied by x minus x1. Okay, so we only care about the first point here and also the slope, right? Okay, so let's plug that in. Remember that this one is y only. That is without subscript, it is not numerical values, but with subscript, it is numerical values. So this one will be y1 here, so I'll have minus y1 is 3, and then that will equal to, I will have minus 1/2 as our slope here, and then x here without subscript, so I will write it as is, and then minus x1. x1 is 4 here, so I will have minus 4. Okay, and then maybe we can isolate y here, so I'll have y here is equal to minus 1/2 multiplied by x, and then minus 4, and then plus 3. Or I can distribute this minus 1/2 to the brackets like this. So we will have y is equal to minus 1/2 multiplied by x, and then minus 1/2 multiplied by minus 4, that will be plus 2, and then we will have plus 3 here. So we will have y here is equal to minus 1/2 multiplied by x, and then plus 5. And that is the final answer for this problem. Y is equal to minus 1/2 of x plus 5. And I think that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.